Hold away. Top hand release. Boy, up and in. Big bat for you. Hold away. Up and in. Boy, hold away. Wait, up and in. Load away.
Are you injured in that?
Wait for it. Up and in. Nice. Load away. Good. Up and in. Nice. Load away.
What? Again?
Good. Next. Oh boy.
Didn't the first one not go well?
Up and in.
It didn't.
Load away. Load away. Nice. Up and in. Load away. Oh boy. Up and in.
I should probably step back a little bit. Yeah, I was wrong.
Load away. Good. Up and in. Load away. Good. Next. All right, up and in. 2 hand follow through. Load away. 1 hand. Load away. Top hand. Finish your 1 hand on that one. Up and in. 2 hands close to your body. Up and in. Load away. There you go. Don't release it too early. So you're releasing just that contact. Contact. When it gets to that point where it can't go anymore, that's when you release it. Oh, you get used to it. But you still got to hit. Up and in. Short to short. An overswing. So keep that back close to your body. All right, you're going out in front and turning, and that's knocking your head off the ball. All right, so just swing, whip that bat around. Remember that top hand drill? That one? We keep it close to your body. Same type of swing. There you go. Keep that back close to your body all the way around. All right, up and in again. There you go. All the way. That other, like you release that top hand still goes through. Top hand release, but like that. Up and in, up and in. Wait, all the way. You'll get it. Up and in. Good. All the way. Good. All right. All right, change up. Go through twice. You guys, all right, you guys come over here. That group, go that cage. You guys, go that cage.
Damn it! I just had the one.
Go with baseball.
All right, 2 hands. Up and in for the first round. All up and in. Relax your arms. There you go. Right, good. Turn. Oh boy. Don't lift. Keep it flat. Relax your arms. Relax. There you go. Just keep them right there. Right, drop your arms again. Relax. There you go. Stop right there. Especially inside pitch. You've got to relax those arms. Boy. Good. Turn. Don't lift. Turn. Turn. Keep it flat. Turn. Get tired. All right, give me a couple. Turn. Turn. Keep your hands back. There you go. Stay balanced. Again. Oh boy. Next. All right. Up in. I'm going to throw up and in now. I'm throwing a bit low and in. So there you go. Boy, spread out a little bit. Make sure you turn. All right, turn for me. Turn to that, like, yep, turn. Keep your hands back, like I was doing for. There you go. Keep your hands back. So when it's hostile to you. Yeah, turn, stay there. There you go. Just swing. Swing it hard. Stay there. Turn it. Stay there again. Go back. Turn. Yeah, keep your hands back. Get the bat flat all the way through. Don't lift it.
What?
Bat flat all the way through. You're a bit taller. There you go. Right there. Whip it around. There you go. Just whip it. Just whip the bat at the wall. There you go. There you go. It's a harder drill for you because you're a taller guy, you know, taller. But it's good. Good. Same balance. So you're a bit weaker on those legs. That's why it's good to be seated. But so now when you swing, make sure you want to get to there when you turn. All right. So you can swing away normal.
Yeah.
You're right, get it going a little bit earlier. As I go back, you go back. All right, so as I go back, you go back. So when I go, you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. Good. There you go. Next. You done up and in yet?
Oh, no.
Okay. Oh, that's right. Look at you. Okay, stay close to your body. Up and in. Do it. Or watch your video the other day. You getting out in front. So keep it close to your body. Good. What? Nice. That's better. Excellent. Good. What?